We're not gonna hurt you.
Oops.
We just wanted to ask you for help.
Ah, poor things. Wait a minute. I think I know how to help you.
Really? Yay!
Let's get started. Come on. Where is it?
Sammy, what are you doing?
Aha! Found it!
Ew. What's this?
That, my friend, is a super secret beauty book.
Strawberry mask? Cherry serum?
Yep, we have to do everything we can to help Pinky and Vineria.
Oh, thank you, Sammy.
No problem. You're gonna help us, right, Sue? Uh-huh. See?
Of course! Oh, we've got a lot of work to do here. Okay, let's get started with our beauty experiments. The book says we need…
A special beauty supply. There you go. So who do we start with?
Me! Pinky, let's start with you, shall we?
Don't worry. It's all gonna be all right.
Wow, it really does have all the beauty supplies we need. Skincare, makeup, and even more. Also, a nail kit.
This is my latest invention, a beauty enhancer. All it takes is a teeny tiny injection, and you are fresh and rejuvenated again.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, Sammy, but let's stick to the tips in the beauty book.
All right, fine, whatever. It says you have to put stickers on your nails.
These ones? Okay!
That's a great tip, by the way. It looks really nice.
Now let's see what we have for skincare. There's so much stuff in here. Eye patches, a lip mask, and even massage sticks.
Cool! I want to open a baggie, too. It also had nails. I will be the cutest slime with those on. Hey, Vineria, you want to try it on?
Yeah, sure. Come here. Help me put them on.
You know what? I'll just leave it here if you don't mind. Sue, I think there's something really wrong with our characters.
Oh, come on. They just can't wait for us to get started on the makeover. So let's not waste another minute. It might sting a little bit. Bear with me.
Ouch! It says that before you start beauty treatments, you need to remove all acne.
Okay, I'll try to make this as quick as possible.
Ouch. It's okay. I can't wait to see the result.
When is it my turn?
Ugh! She wants to eat me.
I think she just wants us to remove that slime from her face, right?
Yeah, and I'll breathe easier right away.
And once we're done with the cleanup, you'll feel 10 times better.
Okay, let me brush your hair. Whoopsie. How did that happen? It must have been the wind.
Hey, Sammy, what does the book say we do next?
Don't know about the book, but our characters need a face mask.
Are you sure? Okay, let's give it a shot. Wow, that mask is a miracle. I hope you don't mind if I keep it for myself.
Sure, you can keep it. I'm already working on a brand new and amazing beauty product.
Then I'll take this too.
Perfect. Now let's add… Huh? Hey, give it back.
Just what you need. This micellar water will remove all those sores in no time. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you either. There you go. Someone hasn't been to the dentist in a while.
Move aside. I've perfected my beauty enhancer formula. No more injections. Oh, what's that? Is that Barbie calling me? I'm on my way.
Sammy, get back here and help me. Catch her. Oh, that little slime scientist. Don't worry, sweetie. Here, drink this and you'll feel better.
Thanks, Sue.
At least my experiments are more fun than following a book. Here is my newest remedy for acne marks.
So, how do I look, Sammy?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Not again. You know, Sammy, sometimes following directions isn't such a bad thing. See? Okay, there's some tinfoil stuck to you. Let me clean it up. All right now, let's work on these tired eyes of yours. These patches should do the trick.
You have to wait a little bit for the eye patches to work.
You got it. Now that's what I call the wow effect.
Okay, maybe you're right. Maybe the book is actually useful. Huh? What's this?
It's a patch for our pinky. There you go. That's more like it. No more stuffy nose.
I've got another one. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
To keep the pimples at bay, you need to use a moisturizer.
By the way, I found some weird eyebrows. Sue, do you think they look good?
Sammy, come on. Those are eye patches.
Oh, yeah? Then what do you think of this hat?
Not a hat, a lip patch. All of these patches are just what you need for our skincare routine. To enhance the effect, I will give you a special massage. Voila! Now, you look fresh.
But they can look even fresher by the power of the shower. Oh, no!
Be careful, Sammy.
I'm fine. I've only gotten fresher.
The final step in your skincare routine, soothing masks. Sammy, why don't you give me a hand here?
Sure! Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga.
Huh? What's going on?
Tip 48 from the Experimental Beauty Formulas book. Apply slime magic as needed.
Oh, right. By the way, are there any makeup tips in there?
Sure, we can use everything from this bag.
I see. We can do that. Let's start, as usual, with the foundation.
Huh? What's this? Oh, I get it. It's a frisbee.
No, they're not. They're lenses. Now, to the next makeup step. To emphasize your eye color, I'm going to add some eyeshadow. There you go. Let's not forget about the blush, too.
And of course, you can't do without accessories.
Now, it's Vineria's turn. Here we have everything we need. Your gorgeous eyebrow shape would be perfect with big lenses. Here are the eyeshadows. I think I'll add a little bit more.
Next, the eyelashes.
I wonder how the blush would look on your green skin. Wow, that's pretty.
I was thinking, since we're helping our characters transform, I should keep up too.
Sam, that's Vineria's hair. I promise we'll work on yours next time.
And here's the finishing touch. Wow, thank you, little book. We did a great job.
That's right. But that's not all. If you want to know all the secrets of our superbook, stay tuned. It says it takes a lot of paper to create the characters and the kit yourself.
Ugh. Is that gonna be enough?
Yeah, I think there should be enough paper for my next trick. Abracadabra. It'll make the work go faster.
Couldn't you just use your magic right away?
Where would be the fun in that? Besides, magic can't just be used up on a whim.
You're right about that, although... Abracadabra! Whoa, I did it!
The key here is not to use it too often, Sammy.
Yeah, abracadabra! That's the best!
Okay, I'll admit it. We really needed markers this time. So, good call.
But why use markers when you can go even further? And just poof! Voila! All done!
And you complained that I was the one using magic? All right, let's go back to good old-fashioned handcrafting. Ugh, it's quite tiring, I must say.
Nothing tires you out when you're upbeat and full of energy like me! Huzzah! All done!
Thanks, you've been very helpful. Here's a new challenge for you. We need to fill it up.
Watch me, Sue. My superfill is just the thing for this kind of thing. Fill anything you want. Toys, pillows, blankets, you name it.
That's great! We're at the finish line. Let's give our characters back their creepy look. Boo! Okay, don't forget the hair and all the extra spots and pimples.
Hey, wait a minute. Veneria had a slime on her face.
Oh, you're right! Let's fix this real quick.
Okay, makeup goes right here. I think skincare goes in here. And this is where the facials go.
Alrighty, we're all set. We did a great job today, friends.
Sue, Sam, thank you so much for your help.
Oh yeah, I can feel the groove again.
You're welcome, guys.
Great job, colleague. This was their most exciting beauty experiment yet.
You betcha! Friends, don't forget to give this video a like.
And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. Bye-bye, everyone.